Namaste to all, welcome to my channel MA Tuitions. If you're watching my channel for the first time, please like, share and subscribe and don't forget to press the bell button, then only you will get the notifications. The last class we were discussing about the exercise 4.3. Today also we are continuing the same exercise. Here is your 9th question. Two water taps together can fill a tank in 9 3/8 hours. The tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank separately. Find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. So there are two taps. If we are opening two taps together, so it takes 9 3/8 hours together. And if you are taking, if you are opening the larger diameter pipe, that means the larger pipe and the smaller pipe together, it will take 9 3/8 hours. Now we have to find out the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. So we have to consider some time according to the larger and the smaller taps. So I'm going to take, let the time taken by the larger tap as x hours. Okay, we can take it as x hours. So I'm taking the time taken by the larger tap to fill the tank as x hours. So from this you can write like this: the time or the portion of the tank filled in 1 hour. In 1 hour it will fill 1 by x of the total capacity of the tank. Okay. Now we can take the time taken by the smaller tap. It is given that the larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one. The larger tap takes 10 hours less than the smaller one. Or in other words, we can say that the smaller one takes 10 hours more than the larger one, isn't it? So we can take, if this larger tap takes x hours, the smaller must take 10 more hours, isn't it, to fill the tank. So we can take x plus 10 hours. So in 1 hour, the smaller tap will fill the 1 by x plus 10th of the capacity of the tank. Understood? And it is given that together both the taps will take how much time? 9 3/8 hours to fill the tank. Or we can write this is 9 to 8 is 72 plus 3, 75/8 hours to fill the tank. So in this case also we can write in 1 hour. In 1 hour it will take 1 by 75/8 portion of the tank must be filled in 1 hour. So this can be written as 8 by 75. Isn't it? Reciprocal of 75/8 is 8 by 75. Okay, this is 75. Now from the question itself it is given that together they are taking 9 3/8 hours, or in 1 hour they are the portion of the tank filled is 8 by 75. So in 1 hour the large tap can fill 1 by x and the smaller tap can fill 1 by x plus 10 hour. Then together means 1 by x plus 1 by x plus 10 will give you this 8 by 75. Now we can make the quadratic equation by cross multiplying. So this is x plus 1 into 10 is x plus 10 into 1 is x plus 10 plus x into 1 is x by x into x plus 10 equal 8 by 75. This is x plus x is 2x plus 10 by x into x is x square plus x into 10 is 10x equal 8 by 75. Okay, now we can cross multiply here. So we will get, this is 2x plus 10, 2x plus 10 into 75 equal 8 into x square plus 10x. Or we can write, this is 2x into 75 is 75 into 2, 150x plus 75 into 10 is 750 equal 8 into x square, 8x square plus 80x. Take all the terms to that side, then you will get 8x square plus 10x. This will be minus 150x and this is minus 750 equal to 0. Now we can write 8x square, 80x minus 150x. 150 minus 80 is 70x. The larger has the sign negative, so we can put negative minus 750 equal to 0. This equation can be divided by 2, then you will get 4x square minus 35x minus 375 equal to 0. This is of the form ax square plus bx plus c, where a equal to 4, b equal to negative 35 and c equal to negative 375. Now we can use x equal negative b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Negative of negative b is negative 35. Plus or minus root of b square is negative 35 square. Minus 4 into a is 4, c is negative 375 by 2 into a is 4. This is negative of negative is 35 plus or minus square of 35, which is 1225. Negative net is positive. 4 into 4 is 16. 16 into 375 is 6000. Okay. By 8. So we will get 35 plus or minus, this is 7225 by 8. Which is equal 35 plus or minus 7225, which is a square of 85, correct. 85 by 8. So here also two solutions are there. First one is 35 plus 85 by 8 and x equal to 35 minus 85 by 8. Since this is negative, 35 minus minus 85 is negative 50 by 8. No need to take this all since x is the time. X means a time. Now this can be taken as 5 plus 85 plus 35. 120 by 8, which is equal to 15. X equal to 15 hours. We got x as 15 hours. And what about x plus 10? X plus 10 is 15 plus 10, that is 25 hours. So our answers are 15 hours and 25 hours. That means the larger tap takes 15 hours to fill the tank completely and the smaller one takes 25 hours to fill the tank completely. Okay. 10th question. An express train takes 1 hour less than a passenger train to travel 132 km between Mysore and Bangalore. Without taking into consideration the time they stop at different intermediate stations. If the average speed of the express train is 11 km per hour more than that of the passenger train, find the average speed of the two trains. So what we have to find out? The average speed of two trains. So as we know, when comparing with the passenger and express trains, which has more speed? Express train, isn't it? So express train takes less time. So it is given that the time taken for the same distance, the difference between that two trains are 1 hour, which is given in the first itself. An express train takes 1 hour less than a passenger train. Okay, so both the trains are traveling between Mysore and Bangalore and the total distance they are traveling is 132 km. And it is given that the passenger train has less speed and it takes more time, and the difference between the time taken by both are 1. And one more condition is given as the average speed of the express train. Express train is 11 km per hour more than the passenger train. So what we have to find out? The average speed. So we can take the average speed of two trains as x and x plus 11, isn't it? So let speed of passenger train. Passenger train has speed less than the express train. So we can take this as x kilometer per hour. Speed of the passenger train as x kilometer per hour. And what about the speed of express train? Express train, which has 11 kilometer per hour more than this one. So we can take x plus 11 will be the speed of this express train. And the total distance travelled by the train, total distance they are travelling, total distance, which is 132 km for both the cases. For both the trains they are travelling 132 km. And we can write the time taken. Time taken by the passenger train. Passenger train. We have studied that the time can be found out by total distance by speed. Total distance by speed. Total distance is 132 km and the speed taken by the passenger train is x. So we can write 132 by x. And what about the time taken by the express train? Express train, which is 132 by this distance is same and the speed is x plus 11. So this train, passenger train takes 132 by x and the express train takes 132 by x plus 11 hours. So we can find out the difference between these two. It will be 1 hour, which is given on the first itself. Okay. So we can write 132 by x minus 132 by x plus 11 equal to 1. Now we can cross multiply 132 into x plus 11 minus 132 into x is 132x, which is equal to, it is x into x plus 11, which is equal to 1. Okay. Now we can take this to that side. 132 into x is 132x plus 132 into 11 is 1452 minus 132x equal to 1 into x plus 11 can be taken to this side. Now we can cancel these to 132x since this is positive and this is negative. We can write 1452 equal to x into x is x square plus x into 11 is 11x. We can take this 1452 to that side. You will get x square plus 11x minus 1452 equal to 0. This is of the form ax square plus bx plus c. We can use the quadratic formula where a equal to 1, b equal to 11 and c equal to negative 1452. X equal negative b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is a quadratic formula. Now substitute the values. Negative 11 plus or minus root of b square is 11 square minus 4 into 1 into negative 1452 by 2 into 1. You will get negative 11 plus or minus 11 square is 121 plus 1452 into 4 is 5808. Okay, by 2. So negative 11 plus or minus root of, you just add these two numbers, you will get 5929 by 2. Okay, 5929 by 2. This is the square of 77. Okay, 5929 is the square of 77. We can use x equal to negative 11 plus or minus 77 by 2. As we said, this also has two solutions. First one is x equal to negative 11 plus 77 by 2 and the other one is x equal to negative 11 minus 77 by 2. This will be a negative number, so no need to do that all. We can use this one. This will be 66 by 2 and this is 33. Okay, so x equal to 33. So we find out the speed of the passenger train as 33. Then what of the speed of the express train, which is x plus 11, that can be taken as 33 plus 11, which is equal to 44. So we can write speed of passenger train equal to 33 km per hour and the speed of express train as 44 km per hour. Okay. Last question of that exercise, 11th one. Sum of the areas of two squares is 468 meters square. If the difference of their perimeters is 24 meter, find the sides of the two squares. So we have two squares with different measurements. What is a square? All the four sides are equal. So we can take the side of the larger square. Side of the larger square can be taken as x. Okay. And the side of the smaller square can be taken as y. And sum of the areas of two squares is, so its area is, if the side is x, then area is x square, and this area of this one is y square. So sum x square plus y square is 468. So this is your first equation. And the next section it is given that if the difference of their perimeters. So what is the perimeter of the first square, which is 4x, and the perimeter is 4y. The difference means minus 4x minus 4y equal to 24. We can take 4 from this, both the terms 4 is there. We can take outside 4 into x minus y equal 24, or we can write x minus y equal to 24. This 4 can be taken to this side, so you will get 6. That is x minus y equal to 6, or we can write x equal to 6 plus y. This y is taken to that side, it will be plus. X equal to 6 plus y. This is your second equation. We can substitute this value of x in this first equation. Put 2 and 1. So you will get, instead of this x square, we are using this x plus y whole square plus y square equal to 468. Expand using a plus b whole square, which is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So 6 square plus 2 into 6, 12, y plus y square, again plus y square equal to 468. This is 36. So we can rearrange. Y square plus y square is 2y square plus 12y, and this is 36 equal minus, we can take this 468 to this side, minus 468 equal to 0. So we can write 2y square plus 12y minus 432 equal to 0. In this, all the terms have a common factor, which is 2. So we can divide with 2, then you will get, this is y square plus 6y minus 216 equal to 0. Now this is of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a equal to 1, b equal to 6 and c equal to negative 216. Okay. Use the quadratic formula. Here y equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. b is negative 6 plus or minus root of b square is 6 square minus 4 into a is 1 and c is negative 216 by 2 into 1. Okay, which was negative 6 plus or minus, this is 36 plus negative and negative is plus 216 into 4 is 864 by 2, which is negative 6 plus or minus, this will be root 900 by 2. You will get negative 6 plus or minus square root of 900 is 30 by 2. So in this case also we have two solutions. One is negative 6 plus 30 by 2 and the other one is negative 6 minus 30 by 2. No need to take this one. Why? Since this is a negative number. Since x and y are the sides of two squares. So we can take this one. So y equal to negative 6 plus 30 by 2. 30 minus 6 is 24 by 2. So you will get 12. Y equal to 4. Sorry, 12. Y equal to 12. Then what about x? We can substitute in the second equation. Put y equal to 12 in second equation. So you will get x equal to 6 plus y, which is 12. 6 plus 12, which is 18. So we got x as 18 centimeter and y as 12 centimeter. The sides of the larger square as 18 centimeter and the side of the smaller square as 12 centimeter. So we have completed exercise 4.3. In that we have studied the quadratic formula, which is x equal to negative b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So we will continue on the next video with the next class. Thank you so much for watching.